how to make a Facebook post using Canva. So here's how to make a Facebook post using Canva. So once you go to Canva, type in the search Facebook post. Once you go to Facebook post, you type in create, and then you come to this page. Once you're here, you can also come here and search for whatever design you want to choose. There's different kinds of designs over here, as you can see. Different kinds of designs over here. So you're just gonna choose a simple design, which will be good. Let me just see. Yeah, I'll just choose this simple one here. So you're gonna wait a few seconds till it uploads. Now keep in mind you can change everything about this: the size, the text, the color, even the background color too. So you can see once here you can change the text. Choose text, which is gonna wait a bit. It's uploading. You can see the text. You could choose different kinds of text, difference in kind of text and stuff. We're gonna wait a few more seconds till it uploads. So it's Libra Basketball. This is the design of the text. So I'm gonna put my text in. Double click on this. So make sure all of it is highlighted when you want to change the name of the text. I'm gonna put in "Be happy always." Or it's just a lot. I'm gonna choose "Be happy." Yeah, like this. We're gonna put it here. Click on it when you want to move, and then hold it to move it around. I'm gonna put it here and just make it a bit bigger. You could do this a bit smaller from here, and then make this over here. Just double click on the text and then choose "Be happy always." And just gonna choose I'm gonna put "like this post for happiness." And if you have a website, you can put a website. In my case, I don't have one, so I'm just leave it as is. And here you have you have a picture, wherever. I'm just gonna delete this picture. Press on it, and you can see this delete icon. There you go, it deleted. So on the left side corner, you can see there's different menus: text, elements, brand uploads or don't. You could upload anything you want. I'm just gonna go on elements. Wait a few seconds, and then choose. And then you can write down anything you want to get a picture, elements, or anything you line, shapes, stickers, photos. I'm gonna choose happy, since this post is about happy. As you can see, I'm just gonna choose graphics and click on the see all. As you can see, you have different kinds of smiley faces. Anything to do with happiness will come here. I'm just gonna scroll down and see what I like. They upload, go down. I'm just gonna go all the way up again and choose this one over here. As you can see, yeah, this looks fine. And then click on it, and then I'm just gonna make it a bit bigger. And you can also change the color and stuff. Once you click on it, as you can see, you can change the color. This is black. This is the outline and the eyes and smile, or the color of the shape. You can choose orange, leave it yellow because it looks more better. And you can also change the color of the background. We click on the background and then choose this color over here at the corner. and I'm gonna choose this purple, pink, whatever, blue. I'm just gonna choose this blue. And yeah, I like this. So it's great, this post for Facebook. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe. And also, once you want to download it, make sure you write down the name of the file that you want to put it in here. My file name is my Facebook post, and then click on share, and then click on download, and then make sure it's MP4 video, or because it's a post reel, and make sure the quality is 940 to 788px, and then click on download, and it will be downloaded to your computer or any device that you have. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.